How to use iMessage on iPhone and iPad without a SIM and phone number. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use iMessage on iPhone and iPad without a SIM and phone number. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can easily use iMessage on an iPhone without inserting a SIM card and phone number too. You just have to take note of a few things. Firstly, you need to have a working internet connection to be able to use iMessage. Since there will be no SIM card installed, make sure your iPhone is connected to a proper working Wi-Fi connection. Secondly, make sure that you have added an Apple ID to your iPhone or iPad. To check, in Settings itself, tap on your name banner and if it says Sign In, then go ahead and sign yourself in with an Apple ID in order to use iMessage. You can see I have signed in already. Now in Settings again, scroll down and tap on Messages option. You will see the iMessage option now. Make sure the toggle button for iMessage is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the button for iMessage. Also, tap on Send and Receive and choose the option Use your Apple ID for iMessage and select your appropriate Apple account, and your iMessage will be all set. Except for the regular SMS, all other functionalities of iMessage will work fine. You can send text messages, documents, videos, links, photos, etc. to Apple users now. So, this is how you can use iMessage on iPhone and iPad without a SIM and phone number. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button. Comment if you have any queries and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.